and back everyone to HandSkill. Painting old pots is a fun way to add color to your home. So today I show you some easy way to paint old pots. So let's start by painting an old cement pot first. Whether you are using old pot or new one, you want to clean them before painting. Use your scrub brush or pot brush to get all the dust and dirt off. Then allow them to dry completely before moving on to the next step. I use this water-based paint primer as a base coat, which will help the paint last longer. Apply 2 to 3 coats and let it dry. After that, you have to paint it with acrylic color of your choice. Okay, now let's jump into the steps for painting the pot. I use masking tape over the patterns on the pot and then paint it with orange acrylic. After the paint dried, remove the masking tape slowly. Taking blue acrylic on a cotton bag to put dots here. Also note that you don't need to paint the very bottom of your pot, since no one will see it. The inside does not need to be painted either. But if you want to paint the top inch or two on the inside of the pot, that will cover the part that soil does not. This method will work also with terracotta pots, but ensure if the pots are not clean, the paint will look clumpy. Next, I am going to paint plastic pot. It does not need any primer, just you can clean it and started painting with acrylic color of your choice. Make sure don't mix water with acrylic colors. That's it. If you like this video, consider subscribing and thanks for watching.